In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your recent documents list in Microsoft Word. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to keep your workspace tidy or if you're looking to enhance your privacy by not displaying recently accessed files. The process is quite simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open Microsoft Word. It doesn't matter which version you are using, as these steps are relatively universal across different versions. Once you have Microsoft Word open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You're going to want to click on the File tab. This is where you will find a host of options that pertain to your document and Word settings. Once you're in the File menu, scroll down and click on Options. This area allows you to customize your Word experience extensively, making it more tailored to your personal or professional needs. Within the Options menu, you will find multiple categories listed on the left-hand side. The category we are interested in today is Advanced. Click on Advanced to proceed. This section holds a myriad of options, but don't be overwhelmed. You're only looking for one specific feature today. Now, under the Display section in the Advanced tab, you'll find an option that reads Show this number of recent documents. This setting controls how many recent documents appear in your Word interface. It's a handy feature if you frequently need to access your latest files. However, if you're looking to hide this list for more privacy, you'll need to adjust these settings. Click inside the small box associated with Show this number of recent documents and enter the value 0. By setting this number to 0, you effectively tell Word not to display any recent documents in your list. This means that once you close Word and reopen it, your recent documents will not be visible. This can be especially useful if you're working on sensitive projects or sharing a computer and prefer to keep your document activities private. After you've input the value, simply click OK to save your changes and exit the Options menu. Just like that, you're done. Your recent document list will no longer appear. Always remember, these changes aren't permanent. If you ever wish to revert to showing recent documents again, you can follow the same steps and adjust the number to your preference above 0. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully managed your recent documents list in Word, making your workspace a bit more organized and secure. Thanks for watching this guide, and happy writing.